Good morning, students. This is Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Dear students, last class we saw the exact equation. So, in the equation of the form m dx plus n dy, m and n are functions of x and y is said to be exact if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. If the equation is said to be exact means we have to satisfy the condition dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. But here the chapter is equation is reducible to exact. That is, the given equation is not in exact. Suppose the given equation is not exact means how can we reducible to exact? That is the method. So we have to using the integrating factor. We have to using the integrating factor. What is called integrating factor? That is a definition. Listen. Let m dx plus n dy be a differential equation of first order. M and n are functions of x and y. Suppose if it is not exact, it can be made exact by multiplying with the proper factors. These multiplies are called integrating factor. There is no general method of finding the integrating factor. That is, let m dx plus n dy be the differential equation of first order. We know that m and n are functions of x and y. Suppose if it is not exact means we have to make the equation to be exact by multiplying with a proper factor. The multiplies are called the integrating factor. In this method, there is no general method of finding the integrating factor. There is no general method, there is no particular method to finding the integrating method. Right. See the first problem. Solve the equation minus y dx plus x into 1 plus xy into dy is equal to 0. Minus y dx plus x into 1 plus xy into dy is equal to 0. So let us see the solution. First write the given equation. Minus y dx plus x into 1 plus xy into dy is equal to 0. See, the equation is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This is the equation of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. What is called m? M is equal to minus y. What is called n? N is equal to x into 1 plus xy. See, the equation is exact? No, the equation is not exact equation. That is, how can we find the exact equation? You have to find the condition. What condition? Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x in this problem. So, the given equation is not exact. So, you have to divide throughout by x square. So, you have to take one integrating factor. Here, the integrating factor is x square. So, in this problem, we take the integrating factor as x square. So, divide throughout by x square, or otherwise it can be written as multiplying 1 by x square. That is, எப்படி சொல்லலாம், divide by x square ன்னு சொல்லலாம், or you have to multiply by 1 by x square. Multiply 1 by x square ன்னு சொல்லலாம், or divide throughout by x square. So, here we have to take divide throughout by x square. So, what is the equation? Minus y by x square into dx plus x by x square into 1 plus xy into dy is equal to 0. We get minus y by x square into dx plus the term x getting cancelled. So, we get 1 by x into 1 plus xy into dy is equal to 0. Next step, minus y by x square into dx plus multiplying 1 by x inside the term, we get 1 by x plus y into dy is equal to 0. Now, minus y by x square into dx plus 1 by x plus y into dy is equal to 0. Now, this equation is an exact equation. Check. What is called m? M is equal to minus y by x square. N is equal to 1 by x plus y. So, you have to find dou m by dou y, and we have to find dou n by dou x. So, after finding dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x, both are equal. So, which is the exact equation. So, if the equation is exact, mean what is the solution? We know that integral m dx, y is constant, plus integral n dy not containing x. This is a solution, right? No. So, integral m dx, in this m, you have to take y as a constant, plus integral n dy, you should not consider x term, is equal to c. Now, take integral minus y by x square into dx plus integral What is called n term is 1 by x plus y. But we have to consider only y term. So y term is integral y dy is equal to c. So after integrating, so minus y, 1 by x square is nothing but x power minus 2. Integration of x power minus 2 is x power minus 1 by minus 1. So minus y into x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus integration of y is y square by 2 is equal to c. So minus into minus become plus. So y into x power minus 1 can be written as y by x. So y by x plus y square by 2 is equal to c. That's the solution. Here that's 1 by x square is an integrating factor. 1 by x square is an integrating factor, but we are here I take dividing x square. So x square is also integrating factor. X square or 1 by x square is an integrating factor. Right. So this is another method of finding the solution, the same problem. So this is another method, another usual method. How can we find another method? So see the equation, the same equation, minus y by x square into, just split the equation. Okay, minus y by x square into dx plus 1 by x into dy plus y dy is equal to 0. So see the first two term taking LCM. X square is LCM, so take it LCM. First write the dy term. So x dy minus y dx plus y dy is equal to 0. Right girls? So see the first term x dy minus y dx by x square. This is nothing but the u by v formula, that is quotient rule. What's the differentiation of u by v? v du minus u dv by v square. Right? So we have to applying the formula here. So instead of u and v, we have to using x and y. So x dy minus y dx by x square can be written as differentiation of y by x. Differentiation of y by x. See the denominator is x square. So numerator you have to take u is equal to y and v is equal to x. So differentiation of y by x plus y dy. Now integrating. Integral differentiation of y by x plus integral y dy is equal to 0. Now differentiation and integration getting cancelled. So we get simply y by x plus y squared by 2 is equal to c. See both the answers are same. So this is another method of finding the problem. Right. See the next sum. Solve y dx minus x dy minus 3x square y square e power x cube into dx is equal to 0. Y dx minus x dy minus 3x square y square e power x cube into dx is equal to 0. So write the given equation. Now just dividing throughout by y square. I just divide throughout by y square. We get y dx minus x. First just combine the first two terms. Y dx minus x dy by y square minus 3x square e power x cube into dx is equal to 0. See the first term is nothing but what's the formula? Quotient formula. But here what's the formula? Denominator contains y square. So you have to write differentiation of x by y. See the before sum it contains x dy minus y dx by x square. So you have to write differentiation of y by x. But here y dx minus x dy by y square. So you have to write differentiation of x by y. Minus. First write e power x cube as it is and take 3x square into dx. 3x square into dx can be written as differentiation of x cube. Right girls? What differentiation of x cube? 3x square into dx. So 3x square into dx can be written as differentiation of x cube equal to 0. Now integrating. See we get after integrating differentiation is getting cancelled. So we get simply x by y minus e power x cube is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the substitution method. Just e power x cube differentiation of x cube is nothing but just put x cube is equal to y. So e power y differentiation of y is nothing but e power y. So after integrating and differentiation getting cancelled. So we get e power x cube. See the next sum. X power 4 e power x minus 2k x y square into dx plus 2k x square y dy is equal to 0. So first write the given equation. Under the given equation it is not an exact equation. So next step you have to split the equations. X power 4 e power x dx minus 2k x y square dx plus 2k x square y dy is equal to 0. Try to combine the last two terms. Right. So for this, divide throughout by x power 4. We have to divide throughout by x power 4. So we get e power x dx minus 2k y square by x cube into dx plus 2k y by x square into dy is equal to 0. Next, just we have to combine the last two terms, right? So e power x into dx plus, take the last two term, that is second term and third term, take 2k y by x outside. Okay, take 2k y by x outside and then first write the dy term. So we get 1 by x into dy minus, write x dx term, y by x square into dx is equal to 0. Listen the step carefully. First write the given equation and then check whether it is exact or not. So it is not an exact equation. The next step, you have to split the equation, and the next one, divide the equation throughout by x power 4, and the next step, combine the last two terms. Okay, so we get e power x dx plus 2k y by x. Next step is taking LCM, we get x dy minus y dx by x square. So again is equal to 0. Next step, e power x dx plus 2k y by x. This is nothing but differentiation of y by x. So differentiation of y by x is equal to 0. Now integrating, we get e power x plus 2k y by x. Differentiation of integration getting cancelled. So simply y by x is equal to c. So we get e power x plus 2k y square by x square is equal to c. That's the solution. See the next sum. Solve x square minus y x square dy by dx plus y square plus x square y square is equal to 0. First write the given equation. And next one, just divide throughout by x square y square. Divide throughout by x square y square. See the first term, taking x square common. So x square by x square into y square into 1 minus y dy plus the next term, taking y square common, y square divided by x square y square into 1 plus x square into dx is equal to 0. So x square getting cancelled. Then here y square getting cancelled. So first write dx term. We get 1 plus x square by x square into dx plus, next write dy term, 1 minus y by y square into dy is equal to 0. Next step, just split the terms. We get 1 by x square plus 1 into dx plus 1 by y square minus 1 by y into dy is equal to 0. And write separately, we get 1 by x square is nothing but x power minus 2 into dx plus y power minus 2 into dy minus 1 by y dy is equal to 0. Now integrating, we get x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus the x plus y power minus 1 by minus 1 minus log y is equal to c. The next step, write in order, minus 1 by x plus x minus 1 by y minus log y is equal to c. This is nothing but x minus 1 by x minus 1 by y minus log y is equal to c. That is the solution. Now see the notes. The first note, if the equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is not exact, suppose the equation is not exact but it is homogeneous. The given equation is not exact but it is homogeneous and mx plus ny is not equal to 0. Mx, these are the condition. First condition, it is m dx plus n dy is not exact but homogeneous, and mx plus ny is not equal to 0 means the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. And second one, note, second one, if m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 and not exact and of the form, what form? F of x comma y into y dx plus g of x comma y into x dy is equal to 0 and mx minus ny is not equal to 0 means then the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So let us see some important formulas. For these are the formulas we are very useful for finding the integrating factors. See the formulas. What's the formula? Differentiation of y by x dy minus y dx by x square. Differentiation of x by y dx minus x dy by y square. And differentiation of y square by x. And differentiation of x square by y. And differentiation of y square by x square. Differentiation of x square by y square. These are all the simple keynote formulas for using to find the integrating factor. and differentiation of log of xy and differentiation of xy, differentiation of tan inverse of y by x, differentiation of tan inverse of y by x, tan inverse of x by y, differentiation of log of y by x, differentiation of log of x by y, differentiation of 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square, and differentiation of minus 1 by xy. So these are the formulas, basic formulas, but very important formulas are nothing but the first two formulas are very important formulas and very often used in the problems. Right, girls? So just go through all the formulas, study well. Okay. Uh, Go through the problems, girls. Go through the 4 problems. Do it in your classwork note. If you have any doubt, you can call me. I will clear your doubts. Right. Thank you.